Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest motorhome reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome. A true symbol of American luxury, this motorhome takes Cadillac's iconic sophistication and infuses it with the freedom of the open road. First, let's talk about the interior. Cadillac is known for its meticulous craftsmanship, and the 2026 Escalade Motorhome continues that legacy in grand fashion. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious, ultra-luxurious living area wrapped in premium leather, genuine wood veneers, and ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The living space includes a large OLED smart TV, a state-of-the-art AKG 3D surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The kitchen features top-tier stainless steel appliances, including an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and a dual-zone wine chiller. The master suite offers a king-size memory foam bed, while the spa-inspired bathroom includes rainfall showers, marble accents, and heated flooring, ensuring ultimate comfort wherever your journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome is pure sophistication on wheels. Its commanding presence is enhanced by Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting and a sculpted aerodynamic silhouette that improves both efficiency and handling. The exterior is finished in deep metallic shades with chrome detailing, giving it a majestic, modern appeal. A fully retractable power awning extends your living space outdoors, while the massive 22-inch alloy wheels and signature Cadillac grille emphasize luxury and authority. Built on a reinforced aluminum frame, it offers strength without excess weight, ensuring confident stability and effortless maneuvering. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome delivers both muscle and refinement. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 hybrid-assisted engine, it produces an impressive 650 horsepower, allowing smooth cruising and powerful acceleration even when fully loaded. Its advanced magnetic ride control suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, providing a silky smooth drive across highways or uneven terrain. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures precise gear changes, while Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system makes long trips more comfortable than ever before. It's an unmatched combination of innovation, power, and sophistication. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome stands at the top of the luxury RV market, with a starting price of around $650,000. While it's not for the budget-conscious, this price reflects the ultimate blend of bespoke design, cutting-edge technology, and elite comfort. Every model is hand-finished to perfection, offering premium features and custom options tailored to each buyer. When you purchase the Escalade Motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're securing a first-class travel experience that only Cadillac can deliver. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome is a remarkable fusion of elegance, innovation, and performance. It redefines what it means to travel in luxury, offering comfort and sophistication on a level few others can match. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or enjoying a weekend escape, the Escalade Motorhome delivers the ultimate in style and serenity. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.